Today, I'm going to introduce you to DropInBlog's exciting new unified account feature. This new feature allows you to view multiple blog accounts with a single login. This means if you own multiple blogs or are an author or other contributing user on any blog account, you can access this from one spot. Now, let us show you how you can utilize DropInBlog's new unified account feature. Once logged into your DropInBlog account, hover over your profile image here. And in the menu, if you click on My Blogs, you'll be taken to a page where you can see all of the blogs you own and blogs that you have access to. To create a new blog, click here on Create a New Blog Account. When you're taken to the page, you can name your blog here, and I'll label this blog Blog 4. And you can add your blog URL here. We'll leave that blank for now. When you're done, just click on Start Trial here. You'll then be taken to where you can manage your new blog. Right over here is where you'll see your blog posts. And to switch to another blog you'd like to manage, just hover over your profile image again. And here you can choose which blog to manage. We're currently on blog 4, as you can see. Beside it is a green icon with the blog title in bold letters. Now we'll switch to blog 1. Once loaded, when you hover over your profile image, in the pop-up menu, you can see that you are now managing blog 1. In this menu, click on My Info. And you'll be taken to a page where you can change your profile image, your name, your email, and your password. Next, let's discuss managing your blog plan. First, go back to blog 1. Then, in the navigation menu, hover over More and click on Blog Plan. So blog 1 is currently subscribed to the standard plan paying yearly. Another way to manage your blog plans is through accessing the My Credit Cards page. Just hover over your profile image and choose My Credit Cards. Once there, you can add your credit cards, and you are actually able to use different credit cards for different blogs if you desire so. Now, let's talk about adding users to your blog. Again, let's go back to blog 1. Just a reminder, we're currently managing blog 1 as you can see here. Then we'll just hover over More and click on Users. You'll be taken to the Users page, and a really important reminder is that we are on blog 1. So we are only inviting users to this specific blog. Click on Invite User to add a user to blog 1. You'll be taken to this page. Here, you fill out the email of the user you want to invite. I'll just click inside the text box and paste a sample email. And again, when inviting a user to your blog, ask them if they already have a DropInBlog account and make sure to use their email that they signed up with for their account. If they don't have a DropInBlog account yet, their invitation link will allow them to sign up for one. Under Role, you can choose the limitations of what those you've invited can have access to. Click on the drop-down, and we have 3 presets: Admin, Editor, and Writer. You can choose Custom and change their limitations specific to your needs by ticking the boxes below. And down here under Restrict Authors, you can restrict the authors this invited user can post on behalf of by selecting Access Specific Authors. Once done with your specifications, click on Send Invite Email. You'll be taken back to the users page, and the page will confirm that you've sent your invitation. Again, make sure that you are currently on the blog that you are wanting to invite a user to. And another important note, users are different from authors as seen here. Clicking on Post Authors, users are more on managing content created by the authors. Lastly, connecting your blogs to your site's page builder is very simple. We've got video tutorials for a number of page builders. Just make sure that you're on the blog account you want to use for a certain site, right now being blog 1. Then go to the Code and Layout page, and you'll see your blog code here. You can switch easily from blog to blog, like so, and there's the blog code for blog 2. And if you scroll down here under Advanced, you'll see the options for design customizations. Change your link color, font and font size, etc. It really is quite useful. And that is all so far for DropInBlog's new unified account feature. Happy blogging!